Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Question number 1. In which year English education was introduced in India? 1825, 1835.
1835.
Second. Dash was called as the Grand Old Man of India. Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Nehruji.
Dadabhai Nehruji.
Very good. Third one. Anushilhan Samiti of Calcutta was founded by Pulin Bugaridas Hemachandra Kanungo. Pulin Bugaridas Hemachandra Kanungo.
Jainat Baranjan Banduk Margot.
Assertion. Fourth one. Assertion 16th October 1905 was declared as a day of mourning. Reason that day Bengal was officially divided into two provinces. Answer. Correct and is wrong. Is wrong and is correct.
Is wrong and is correct.
Very good. Question number 5. The Kadar party was started by Lala Lajpati Rai, Lala Hardayal.
Lala Hardayal.
Very good. Who was the sixth one? Who was the political guru of Gandhiji? Tilak Gokhale.
Gokhale.
Gokhale. Very good. Eighth one. The first jute mill in Calcutta was founded in 1855, 1866.
1855.
Very good. Ninth one. Name the regiment of Indian National Army consisting of women soldiers. Answer. Subhash Regiment, Rani of Jhansi Regiment.
Rani of Jhansi Regiment.
Very good. 10th one. Where did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose from the provisional government of Free India? Rangoon, Singapore.
Singapore.
Very good. 11th one. The first Indian to find a place in London Privy Council. Rahmatullah Sayani, Syed Amir Ali.
Syed Amir Ali.
Very good. 12th one. Who was the first to write the demand of Andhra province? Answer. Patabi Sitaramaya T. Prakasam.
Patabi Sitaramaya.
Very good. 13th one. Government of India was committed to a dash pattern of development. Answer. Capitalist, socialist.
Socialist.
14th one. Dash is considered as the father of modern experimental science. Answer. Aristotle, Roger Bacon.
Roger Bacon.
15th. Boston Tea Party incident took place in the year 1775, 1773.
1773.
Very good. 16th one. In the American War of Independence, the British Army was led by Richard Lee, William Hovey.
William Hovey.
Very good. 17th. The Second International was founded in Paris, Berlin.
Berlin.
18th. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Answer. Edict Emancipation, Bloody Sunday, Treaty of Brest.
Treaty of Brest.
Very good. 19. Servants of India Society was founded by Gokhale Gandhi.
Gandhi.
Servants of India Society was founded by Gokhale or Gandhi.
Gandhi.
20th. The book Social Contract was written by Rousseau, Walter. Answer. Rousseau, Walter.
Walter.
Another information. The book Social Contract was written by Rousseau, Walter.
Rousseau.